Now let's go over the multi-segment envelope right here. Notice what it looks like compared to the ADSR, the ADSR envelope. It's very similar. The only difference between the two of these is you have more control over in the multi-segment envelope, and you can also loop it. So in this case, let's use our cutoff filter again. Right now I have our sequencer modulating our cutoff. I can remove that by right-clicking on cutoff, remove modulation, and then I just removed sequencer 1. Let's go ahead and assign our cutoff filter to our multi-segment envelope. Multi-segment envelope number 1. So now it's going to follow your typical attack, decay, here's sustain, and then here's release. Let's make that have a really slow attack time. Notice how it reflects here. Now what makes multi-segment envelopes fun is that you can loop certain aspects or certain portions of this. So it's very hard to see, but there's a square here, and then a circle here, and then a square here. That means that my squares are my anchor points, and I can use the circle to adjust the curve right here. I can do that for everything in between. I can also create new anchor points by double clicking. I have a lot of anchor points now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what I can do is I can also say I want it to start looping on number 1 and end on number 4. So it went through its entire loop. Let's have it just do it twice. It's going to go through the loop twice before it finishes out. One more time, but let's go ahead and slow that down with our envelope length. That moves way too fast when we have our envelope length way on the bottom. Let's go really slow with it. Let's have it start with our loop on number 2. See? Marker number 2 all the way to number 4. You can get very creative with these. They're very fun. So you have our length right here. That's the speed, essentially. And then the amount, that's how fast it's going to, how much it's going to modulate this factor right here. So I can turn the amount down. And it only does it by a little bit compared to a lot.